How many triangles? Just see here. The sheet comes later. How many triangles are there in parallelogram? Two triangles are there. See, this sheet is for activity. Otherwise, in classroom, you have to use this pattern blocks so that a child which is in primary put the blocks and understand how two triangles are there. Because once he put two triangles on a parallelogram, it will overlap and cover the whole parallelogram. Then he is able to visualize. That way, the purpose is that. But not possible for all of you to give this pattern blocks. That's why I have given you the sheet to get the idea what the activity is all about. Then we asked them how many triangles are there in trapezium. How many are there? Three. Once you start putting, you will get three. The actual effect will come once the child uses the blocks, which are there in the display also, which we will provide those who will get a book set in the schools. That will be given by Bharti Bhuvan again. One set will be given. So similarly, how many trapezium are there in hexagon? Two hexagon. Are you able to visualize? You can see this. So how many triangles are there in hexagon? Six. Because there are two trapezium. Here to all. One hexagon is equal to one. Then this trapezium is equal to 1/2. How we can prove this? By using the blocks. We are not teaching the maths to divide and do this. Okay. If one trapezium is one, this is one half. One and a half. Two thirds. Yes. If trapezium plus hexagon is equal to 1, we're increasing the level. According to the class, you can also increase. Trapezium plus hexagon is equal to 1, then what's the triangle is equal to? In hexagon, we have 6 triangles. The total is 9. So 9 triangle is equal to 1. So that means one triangle is 1 by 9. Very easy. And if this plus this is 1, that means how many triangles? 8 triangles is equal to 1. So 2 triangles will be 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. 2 triangle is equal to 1. Then hexagon plus parallelogram. There are 8 triangles. So that is equal to 4. Are you getting this? Hexagon plus triangle is 1. That means 7 triangles is 1. Then trapezium is equal to 3 by 7. 3 by 7. Now instead of subtraction, addition we do subtraction. Hexagon minus triangle. That means 5 triangles. 5 triangles is equal to 1, and there are also 5 triangles. So this is also equal to 1. See, basically questions going here, but I increases or decreases the level of question by adding different figures and subtracting to make it more difficult. So that you won't say it is for 3rd, 4th standard. It can be used for 6th, 7th standard also. Right? Depending wherever you require. If the children are suffering from this fraction problems, then use these blocks to clear these things. Okay? So what's the answer for 6?
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
6 is equal to 1. This is 3 by 6, 1 by 2. So let me see. Next one is?
1 by 3.
It's 1 by 3. Next?
Next is 1 triangle.
Teachers at the back are not giving answers. Why so?
It will be equal to 4.
Next is?
4.
4. What's our 9th answer?
4 is equal to
1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Total is, this 4 is equal to 1 now. And we are having one triangle here. So it is 1 by 4. The last one is 1 by 2. Right? So this way you can create more such activities. Some you use different shapes.